guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and I am super excited to be doing my first YouTube video today. I am Bhavika Gurbani and I am a fashion designer, a fashion stylist and a fashion enthusiast. So getting in with the introduction, this channel is going to be about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. I would like to share some tips and tricks and things that I have learned in this industry in past 4 years. Yeah, so getting into the video, this video is going to be about the most efficient makeup that I have learned, and I do it every day, carrying 4-5 products in my purse and doing this look within 5 minutes. It's a daily habit now. I hope this helps you guys to achieve the best look out of minimal products which are really affordable and can be done anywhere, anytime. Before the makeup, let's cleanse the skin and get back. So starting off with the makeup, the first thing that we really need to take care of is moisturizing our skin really well, and following a good skincare routine is the key to a good skin, thereby good makeup. So the base has to be good for your makeup to flaunt. We are gonna start with applying foundation. Since I have prepped my skin with the moisturizer like 10 minutes back, we will start off with the foundation. The foundation that I'm using is Fit Me. It's shade 230. Well, giving a review about this product, Fit Me foundation works really well and it's almost a full coverage foundation, so that we don't really need to use the concealer a lot. Yeah, so I personally have a little pigmentation on my skin which covers up really well, plus the under eye area and the area above my eye, it works really well with it. This product I'd rate it a 5-star because this foundation has a lot of coverage, so that we don't really need to use concealer, plus it's affordable for our everyday use. Yeah, also there are a lot of shades available in it, so that you guys can go choose as per your skin color, and make sure to use the right shade for your skin. It's not about being fair, it's about being flawless with the makeup. So yeah, my shade, this works really well for me during summers. This is a slightly lighter shade than I use in winter. So the second thing that I go about with is my concealer. I will let the foundation settle in my skin for a bit and then go about with the concealer. Getting in with the concealer, I am using Colorbar Full Cover Makeup Stick. My shade is 003 Warm Beige. I will just go about with a little under my eye. And a little bit on my pigments. Since this is a everyday makeup, I am not going in with much lighter shade than my skin because it looks a little party-ish, and this is just of my skin color, so that it blends really well and doesn't look like makeup. Also giving you guys a beauty tip about the blenders. I think silicone blender works the best since it doesn't absorb the product and makes your skin absorb it, and there's less of wastage of product. So yeah, the third thing that I would like to go about with is my lipstick. I am using the Makeover Professional Matte Lipstick. It comes with a lip gloss, so I tend to use lip gloss in my everyday routine. So settling in my eyes with the concealer, the tip that I'd like to give to you guys, since I prefer on my daily routine, is I use my lipstick as my eyeshadow and slightly give my eyes a tint what lip shade I'm wearing, so that my makeup looks even and not experimental. Since on the daily basis we tend to be a little subtle, so yeah, going on tone makeup makes it really good looking and subtle, plus it's really easy to do. I'm just giving my eyes a little tint of my lipstick, and plus I'd like to use a little as blush. Don't forget applying the same tint under your eye as well, since it looks really eye-catching and it looks blended out really well. The next thing that I'll be using is Lakme Iconic Kajal, which is just to make my eyes pop a little bit since they are looking a lot drowsy right now. Using a kajal is instant way to make your eyes pop and look a little bit fresher. So this is it, and the major part of my everyday makeup is my mascara. So I'll be using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara for my eyes. Yeah, so pro tip, mascara makes a huge difference in your look. Make your eyes look a little bit bigger and wide open. Well, I think it's the best part of makeup that enhances the whole look. Going in with more of makeup, I would want to gloss my lips a little bit. And right now I'll be doing a whole gloss makeup where I use gloss on my eye and on my cheekbone as a highlighter to give a strobe effect to my makeup look. Works out really well, isn't it? Yeah, so this was my makeup look, and I don't tend to use the contour for my daily looks. I just keep it around for parties, and this look was it. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you guys like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you guys get notified every time I'm posting a new video with new tips and new trend forecast. Love you guys and see you guys super soon. Also, let me know in the comment section below what kind of videos would you guys like to see. And thank you guys for watching the whole video. I love you guys, and